Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a cable 4 back or C4B. So this is worked over 4 stitches. You can go ahead and just slip the first 2 stitches on your left hand needle onto your cable needle as if to purl. So we're not twisting them. Hold it in the back of your work like this, behind your needles. And we want to get the yarn out of the way. So the yarn is not in the way of the cable needle like this. And now we knit the next 2 stitches. And now we need to place the stitches from our cable needle back onto our left hand needle. So I want to make sure my yarn is out of the way. So I'm going to pull it over here to the right. And now we're going to slip our cable stitches back onto our left hand needle without twisting them. Make sure that they're not twisted and slip them back to our left hand needle. Now you can bring your yarn back. And now we can knit those 2 stitches from our left hand needle. So I'll show that to you one more time. We're going to slip the first 2 stitches onto our cable needle. So go into them as if to purl from right to left and just slip them to your cable needle without twisting them. And now we need to kind of position our cable needle in the back of our work. So you can kind of just maneuver it behind your needles like this. Bring our yarn around it so nothing is caught. Our yarn is out of the way. And now we're going to knit the next 2 stitches off of our left hand needle. So kind of ignoring that cable needle, we're going to knit the next 2 stitches normally. You may need to pull a little bit tighter on your first stitch. Not super tight, you just don't want to have a huge gap. So now that we've knit those 2 stitches, we need to place our stitches from our cable needle back onto our left hand needle. If your cable needle is about the same size as the knitting needle, you can knit them straight off the cable needle. But since mine is a little bit thinner, I'm just going to slip it back to the cable needle first. So sliding them to the edge, I'm just going to slip them back to my left hand needle without twisting them. So just from left to right, back onto my cable needle. So now I need to bring the yarn in between my needles to the back. You want your yarn to be attached to your right hand needle easily like this. And now we can knit the next 2 stitches off of our left hand needle. And there you have it. That is a cable 4 back or a C4B. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. And I also have a video on how to work a cable 4 front and cable 4 back without cable needles. You can find the links below.